Songs of Misaut 23.
Let me repeat, what do you think would be the innovative strategies that can be considered to mitigate the impact of climate change on the biodiversity of Mount Canoan Natural Park? Your time starts now.
I always believe that every after there is always a different results. And this time, in order for us to mitigate the impact of climate change, is to stop cutting trees. It is important for me that even before I plant a seed program that I implement even in my junior high school up to secondary. And I want to instill to the mind that everybody, we can start planting our trees and stop cutting down it, because this is the only reason why can we mitigate climate change, so that there will be no heat more than what we experience right now. We are the product of the past, so we must produce the product for the future. Thank you.